Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College Karnal. Today we are going to learn about what is data science. This is the introduction video. So let's start. What is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, process, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from data. As it's written over here, data science is the field that uses mathematics, programming, domain knowledge to extract meaningful insights from data. Data scientists would apply machine learning algorithms to data, such as numbers, text, images, videos, and more to produce artificial systems that perform tasks that require human intelligence. It involves combining the statistics, research, mathematics, machine learning, computer science, data processing, and domain expertise. Here, to analyze and domain expertise is to analyze large amount of data and answer the questions. Here also like make predictions and drive business decisions. There are some key aspects of the data science. First one is data collection and preparation. So data is very important in the data science as the gathering, cleaning and transforming the raw data into the usable format. This is one of the very key aspects of data science. The second is data analysis. This is something like we are exploring, visualizing, analyzing data to identify patterns and trends. Then we have third one is modeling. Modeling means building the predictive models using machines learning and statistical techniques. Then we have interpretation and communication, which means translating finding into mm, actionable insights and communicating them effectively. Where are data science being applied, like applications? We will see in our next video. And what skills required for data science? Like we need, if you become a data scientist, then it will be like you will be very much knowledgeable of Python or SQL, RSQL, mathematics and statistics, which includes calculus, linear algebra, probability statistics, and then machine learning. With machine learning, it can be supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. Then data visualization, which includes creating charts and graphs to communicate the insights. Then we have communication and presentation, which is like effectively conveying the finding to both technical and non-technical audiences. Domain expertise, this is very important as we definitely have to understand the specific industry or the field which the data science is being applied. So this is the introduction to the data science. We'll continue with the data science topic. Thank you so much for your time and keep do the subscribe button. Thank you. Click the subscribe button. Thank you so much.